Howdy, friends! Let's make amazing breakfast burritos. I am so excited today. We are going to make breakfast burritos. These are the best breakfast burritos ever. They are so easy to make. And oh, so yummy to eat. Perfect for those busy ranch mornings. My family just loves them to pieces. You are going to love them too, I promise. Let's get our aprons on and get started. First, let's talk about what we need. Good flour tortillas are very important. Nice big ones are great for holding all the goodies. Eggs are a must, of course. Fresh from the hen house if you have them. That makes them extra special, you know. We also need potatoes or some hash browns. These make the burritos nice and hearty. So good for filling up hungry cowboys and cowgirls. Alright, let's get to cooking these fillings. We will start with the potatoes first. You can dice up some fresh potatoes if you like. Or, to make it easy, use frozen hash browns. Both ways work out great, my friends. We want them to get nice and crispy. Golden brown is the color we're looking for. This part takes a little bit of time, but believe me, it is so worth it. Here's how to cook those potatoes just right. Get your trusty skillet nice and hot. Add a little bit of oil or some butter. Then put your potatoes into the pan. Try not to crowd the pan too much. Let them cook and sizzle away happily. Flip them over so all the sides get crispy. Sprinkle them with salt and pepper. Oh boy, they smell absolutely wonderful cooking. Okay, it's time to cook the meat you picked. If you decided on sausage, crumble it up. Cook it in your skillet until it's nicely browned. If you're a bacon lover, cook it until it's crispy. Then you can crumble it into little pieces. Chorizo needs to be cooked through as well. Make sure to drain off any extra grease. This cooked meat adds so much savory taste. It really makes the burrito extra special. Next up, and this is super important, folks, you need to warm up your flour tortillas. Warm tortillas are soft and easy to work with. They will bend nicely and won't break on you. You can warm them one by one in a dry skillet, or you can warm them quickly in the microwave. A warm tortilla is a happy tortilla, I always say. It's ready to be filled with all the good stuff. This step makes all the difference, trust me. Now let's start building your breakfast burrito. Lay your warm tortilla out flat on a plate. The first thing to add is a layer of eggs. Those lovely fluffy scrambled eggs we just made. Spread them out a little bit on the tortilla. This makes a nice soft bed for everything else. A cozy bed for all the other yummy fillings. It's like a soft, eggy blanket for the goodies. This is the foundation of a great burrito. Then, we add more of those wonderful layers. Next, put on a layer of those crispy potatoes. Then, add your delicious cooked meat, whether it's sausage, bacon, or spicy chorizo. Now it's time to sprinkle on the cheese. Lots of it, if you are a cheese lover like me. If you're using diced onions or bell peppers, add them now. Just be careful not to make it too full. Though a hearty burrito is a happy burrito. Alright, let's talk about how to wrap it right. This part can seem a little tricky at first, but I know you can do it, don't you worry. First, fold in the sides of the tortilla. Fold them over the filling towards the center, then take the bottom edge of the tortilla, the edge closest to you, and roll it up tightly. Keep it nice and snug as you roll, so none of that delicious filling falls out. Toasting the burrito makes it the absolute best. This step right here is probably my favorite part. It makes the outside of the burrito so crispy. Melt just a little bit of butter in a skillet, or you can use a tiny bit of oil instead. Place your wrapped burrito seam side down first. Toast it until it's perfectly golden brown. Then flip it carefully and toast the other sides too. That golden color is just what we want. Now they are ready to serve, and oh, they look so good. These burritos smell amazing, don't they? Let them cool down just for a minute or two. They're very hot inside, my dear friends. You can slice them right in half if you like. That way you can see all those pretty layers. Serve them up with your favorite toppings. Salsa is always a great choice, nice and fresh. Avocado is yummy, or a bit of sour cream. I truly hope you love this breakfast burrito recipe. These burritos are a real winner in my book. They are so easy to make for any morning, and they are so satisfying and delicious. Please tell me what you like to put in yours. I always love to hear your wonderful ideas. Happy cooking from my ranch to your kitchen, everyone. Enjoy your fantastic homemade breakfast. There's nothing better to start the day.